Hey guys, it's Pop and Jacques Slade here, and these are the Reflect Mini NC true wireless headphones. I've been using them for about a month now, and here are a few tips and tricks you should know to get the most out of your earbuds. Now, if you haven't already, you should definitely download the JBL Headphone App. You can find it in the iOS or Google Play Store, and it's absolutely free. Okay, now that you have the app, there are 3 things we'll break down to get you started: noise cancellation, EQ, and gestures. Let's start with noise cancellation, since that is one of the cooler things about the Reflect Mini. You have 4 different states. You have normal, which is how you're probably listening to them right now. You have ambient aware, which gives you some noise cancellation, but also lets in some of the noise around you. You have active noise cancellation, which shuts out a lot of the world around you. And then you have talk through, which actually lowers the volume of the earbuds into the background so that you can better hear the world around you. In addition to adjusting noise cancellation in the app, you can use the touch controls to do the same thing. Tap once on the left earbud to cycle through the active noise cancellation, ambient aware, and off, while you can actually tap twice to activate talk through. And since we're talking about touch controls, they are actually customizable within the app as well. If you select the gear icon and then select gestures, it gives you the option to customize what controls you want on each ear. There are 4 categories to choose from: playback, volume, voice assistant, and ambient sound control. By default, the left is ambient sound control and the right is playback. Either way you choose, the phone call controls are exactly the same. Double tap to answer or disconnect, and tap and hold to reject or to mute. I left it at the default, but again, we always suggest you switch it up to find what works best for you. How music sounds and how music feels is sometimes just as important as the song you're listening to, and within the app, you have the ability to adjust the EQ as well. It comes with 3 options by default: bass, jazz, and vocal. But if you're feeling adventurous, you actually have the ability to create and name your own setting. If you decide you just want to go back to the default, just toggle the EQ switch and your headphones will go back to the original factory setting. There are also a few other options in the settings menu that you should check out to help customize your experience. There is auto off, which will let you set how long your earbuds will stay active when sitting idle before they shut down. You also have the voice assistant, which lets you pick between the option on your phone and Amazon Alexa. And then you have ANC tuning, which determines how the noise cancellation actually responds to the noise around you. Here's a quick pro tip for you guys. If you want your music to automatically pause when you take the earbuds out of your ear, turn on the play and pause automation. I like this option better, but again, it's up to you to get it to feel and respond the way that you want them to. If you happen to misplace your earbuds, the app gives you an option to find your earbuds. Simply tap each ear individually in the settings of the app, and a high-pitched sound will play until you tap it again. And last but not least, if for some reason you're having trouble connecting your earbuds via Bluetooth, you have a few options. The first is to put them both back into the case. You can also put them back into the case and double tap the reset button that's on the back of the case. And finally, you can do a full reboot by holding the reset button on the rear of the case for 5 seconds. And if you don't have your case with you, you can tap and hold for 5 seconds on either earbud to initiate a new pairing process. Now, I know that was a lot to digest, but with the Reflect Mini, the intent was to give you as much control as possible to really customize the experience to fit you and your needs. If somehow you got here before checking out the intro video, make sure you check it out for a few other ideas to get you up and running. Thanks for watching.